Hey guys, what's up? It's Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I wanted to go ahead and discuss some of the latest rumors that are occurring with Apple products. Apple has applied for a patent for a folding screen, and as you know, in 2019 Samsung released two phones that are folding. So in this video we're going to go ahead and discuss whether Apple should have a folding iPhone, whether it's going to be efficient, and what can we expect from it. So before I get into this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out techvisibility.com as well for the latest technology news and product reviews. Let's get into the video. So in 2019 and 2020, Samsung released two phones, the Galaxy Flip Z and the Galaxy Fold. They were interesting phones that hit the market. They were quite expensive. The Galaxy Fold transitioned from a 4.6-inch screen into a 7.3-inch screen, which is really nice. However, you could still see the fold line in the phone itself. And the Galaxy Z Flip was a 6.7-inch smartphone that folded in half to basically give it a bit more storage space or room and save on that bulk. Now, I'm a bit older than a lot of people. My first flip phone or folding phone was the Motorola Razr and the Motorola StarTech. Those were dinosaurs compared to what's offered nowadays today. It wasn't a smartphone, but it was sleek, it was slim, it had an aluminum case, the Razr or the original Motorola Razr. It was expensive for the time when it was released, and a lot of people that were into cell phones at that time wanted that phone. It was a flagship device that really raised Motorola's value, as well as blew up the cell phone or smartphone world. So I'm no stranger to flip phones or folding phones. I personally have not used the Galaxy Z Flip. However, I do find this concept to be intriguing, and as an iPhone user, I do think that if done properly, a good quality folding phone will give you an ability to have a tablet-like reading experience. So will it be an iPad killer is the question, and the answer is it could potentially be one. Hints of a folding iPhone started rumoring around 2016 when LG and Apple kind of got together to start discussing these options of a folding phone. LG has some of the best screens in the world, and a folding or flip device is already existent in their network. So it was a no-brainer that Apple, that works with LG in their ultra-fine displays, and now in terms of the smartphones, it would be a no-brainer if they did work together and created a foldable iPhone. Samsung also offered to supply Apple their display for the folding devices, which is pretty interesting because they're both competitors. The rumors are that Apple has discussed having a foldable 6.7-inch iPhone. So whether that would double or increase in size, or it would actually fold in half to allow better storage. This is a very similar display as on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is 6.7 inches. So a folding phone would potentially be a great idea for Apple. It would be one way that they could charge a lot more money for their product. It would definitely be an upgrade-worthy feature if they had released a folding phone, because the iPhones are getting so good that people are skipping upgrades. With the latest 12 and the 12 Pro Max, you got really good cameras built in. So a folding phone would potentially give it that ability to have the customer come back and upgrade once again. Another big benefit I mentioned earlier is having a folding phone that folds out to a bigger display will allow a user to have a phone and iPad all in one. Now, if Apple could control the thickness of the phone itself, this would give it a very good opportunity to corner a market that I believe has yet to be cornered. Samsung's Fold and the Galaxy Flip Z, I don't think they have cornered the market just yet, as the folding screens are still first generation. Now, it was rumored that Apple had been testing these folding screens in Shenzhen in China, where they make these iPhones. So it is very possible that, and like all other events, Apple releases a folding phone as another model. So maybe it'll be called the iPhone 13 Fold. We don't know yet, but I do see a folding phone as an option and not a replacement to their existing iPhone lineup. So I do see the name being iPhone 13 Fold or an iPhone 14 Fold, etc. And they'll always add the name Fold at the end to distinguish that particular device from their original lineup which is still pretty popular. So of course, to have a good folding phone, you're going to have flexible OLED displays, and Apple did apply for a patent for that in 2016. They've been testing it in 2020, and we don't know what's going to come out in 2021. However, I am very optimistic that Apple will release its first folding phone this year. And in February 2020, they were granted a patent on a foldable device. So is that going to be the iPhone? Only time will tell in 2021. Also, Apple was granted a patent that suggests that it would actually have a protective layer in its folding iPhone that would actually be able to protect against damage or drops. So Apple is researching this product, and a folding iPhone is gonna happen. It's gonna come out. So whether or not you'll spend the money on a folding iPhone, I can only imagine that the prices on a folding iPhone would be much higher than the existing prices, which range from anywhere of $900 and up on their models today. So it would really give an opportunity for Apple to really potentially break a $2,000 price point if you max out your iPhone Fold. Now, the Galaxy Fold is a $1,980 smartphone, so Apple will price its product relatively to the Galaxy Fold. In fact, it may price it about 10% more to have that premium Apple sticker, which it normally has. If Apple could get the hinge out of the middle, out of the way, and have a really good fold quality, this would be potentially a revolutionary device that would really take reading and browsing to the next level. Now, with the Galaxy Z Flip, there have been problems. A few users have reported that the folding phones have cracked in the middle where the fold happens. So this is something that has to be addressed if you're going to sell a product that's going to be about $2,000, which will replace not only your phone but your iPad as well. So if Apple could overcome some of these issues that Samsung has already experienced, I think Apple has a tremendous opportunity to get into a market and take advantage of a market that probably has a big demand for it coming up in the future. Samsung and Apple are not the only two companies that have a folding phone out. Motorola still has the Razr out as well in the market, but it just hasn't been keeping up with sales and in terms of the offering from its Android platform. So I think it's going to be between Samsung and obviously Apple in this case for the US or North American market, and other cell phone manufacturers are going to enter this market as well. But the big question is, will Apple? So I do see a 2021 potential Fold release. If not in 2021, 2022 will definitely have a folding iPhone. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. As always, I appreciate it. And check out techvisibility.com for more rumors on Apple devices, Samsung devices, and everything tech related. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you here next time. Thank you.